Hello. You may have heard from one of the explorers that has come into our area. I think his name was Coronado. Some of the Spanish explorers that came to our areas have had a great deal of conflict with our people, and there have been many deaths on both sides. Many times, when there are different people that come in contact with each other, there are conflicts. I am thankful for the Spanish people that have come in more peaceful terms. I have met a man named Father Kino, and he is teaching our people about the Catholic religion. He has been very kind and has started work here to build a mission for us to attend Mass. I have so much to learn about this faith that is new to me. There still continue to be problems with my people and other native people coming in conflict with the Spanish. I wish that there could be peace. Some of these explorers are driven by greed and take items of great value to us and have asked us to forget our traditions that we have held from long ago. My plan is to hold tight to my tribe's traditions and share them with my future children. I hope that one day we will be treated equally by the Spanish people coming into our area.